Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to log into your Tractor Supply credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your Tractor Supply credit card online, go and open up a web browser first. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Tractor Supply credit card, log in and press enter. Soon after you end up in the next page, you can pick this first link that says Tractor Supply company credit card login or apply, and this will take you to your login area for citibankonline.com. The Tractor Supply's credit card is issued by Citi Retail Services. So in the login area appearing on the left hand side, start off by typing in your user ID in the first text box. If you don't have a user ID yet, you'll need to register your card first. Go and click on this register your card option at the bottom of the page and follow through the on-screen prompts. Once you type in your username, click on the next box where it says password and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this reset password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Similarly, if you happen to forget your user ID as well, you can click on this retrieve user ID link in order to get hold of it back again. Once you type in the correct user ID and the password associated with the account, click on the sign on button, and that is how you can easily log in and access your Tractor Supply credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.